feet ready. As you can see, I've got a lot of dry skin. I don't know if you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I put this back in the packet just until I set everything up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the film from it so that it's ready to use. And I'll just do the other side. And then pop that onto my kitchen towel. Now what I have to do is 1 foot at a time, and you have to spray around 8 to 10 sprays of this per foot. So I'm just going to get it coming out and just spray it all over my feet. Oh, that smells amazing. And it smells really good. So make sure that the areas are totally covered with this, and then leave it on for 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to time that. Okay, so that's been on. Now what I'm going to do is it says to massage it with just, well, you can see it already, look at that. That is disgusting. Yeah, you have to massage it with just your fingers to start off with. Which, as you can see, and my feet are clean by the way. This is just like dead skin cells. And then it says to take your foot file and use the roughest side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in I don't know if you can see all that. So I have put a towel on the floor, and I'm sorry about the position that I'm in, but it's kind of hard to do on yourself and film at the same time. So there's lots coming off. And then I think once you've done it, you go in with the smoother side, which feels really nice. I really like the smell of it. And then once I'm finished, what I do is I go in and wash my feet. So what I'm going to do is do my other foot, which I'll speed up, and then we'll wash my feet and I'll come back and show you the results. So guys, what I'm going to go do now is go in and wash my feet, and then I'll come back and show you a reveal. So overall, this product is really good. So I'm just going to zoom in and show you. There is still some little bits of like dry skin and hard skin, but that product is definitely amazing. As you can see, my heels look so much better, and wait until you see my toes on the other foot, the bad one. Now that what you can see is just the light shining on them. It has actually really smoothed my foot out, and I love this product. So yeah, definitely give this a try, guys. It's definitely one to buy.